Okay, my friends, so I'm finished with this wig. I'm finished putting her on, and I literally just did that. I just put her on because guess what? Guess what? You see the melt? She's glueless. She's glueless.
First of all, did y'all even notice that I forgot to do my intro? I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, just a few specs. I'm gonna talk it through. You guys seem like you like when I talk these videos through. So shout out to those recent comments. I really do appreciate it. This is from the Outre 6x5 lace closure wig collection. I have the style Sleek Yaki 30 inches and the color is 1B. This is a human hair blend wig, guys, and this is what the cap construction is looking like. You get an adjustable elastic band so you can wear this wig glueless if you want, and it has a curved air design. It also has an adjustable resize me cap, so it's both big head and small head friendly. That lace is a 6x5 lace area, and again, it is pre-cut. So I always like to fill my wigs out when I first put them on, and I was feeling this one, you know. I was also trying to figure out how I wanted to install this wig because the last time I did show you guys how I applied it with Wig Adhesive, but today I'm going to show you how I just pretty much installed this glueless. So I'm going to start off with just a little bit of powder. You can use powder, use lace tint, you can use makeup. Guys, just tint the lace to your complexion. So I'm using powder. I like powder because it does kind of come up a little bit easier when you do wash the lace. And this powder in particular, it just kind of really blends in with my skin complexion. So find the one to match to your complexion. As that was blended, do y'all see what was happening here? Like, it literally just looked like skin. Anyway, so as you see the difference here in the back as I'm parting, I wanted to show y'all the back versus the front. Your wig will look ashy if you do not match that lace to your complexion. So that's why it's important to tint your lace. But a little bit of powder will be fine. Keep in mind that after you do kind of tint your lace, sometimes you do have to like get that white cast to go away. Sometimes I use like a darker shade, like a contour or something, to get it to match the complexion, but the powder was fine. So also, this wig didn't really need too much of a hot tool, but just that little bit of customization can really make your wig look as natural and realistic as possible, because that's the goal here. We want these wigs to look like they're coming out of our scalp. I used a little bit of Simply Styling spray. It didn't need much any other synthetic wig spray, but that was fine, and that's pretty much it. These are our final results. Let's talk about her.
Okay, my friends, so I'm finished with this wig. I'm finished putting her on, and I literally just did that. I just put her on because guess what? Guess what? You see the melt? She's glueless. She's glueless. This collection is so nice, y'all. This is the second wig I'm reviewing from this collection, and I'm impressed. I really am impressed. Now, let me go ahead and tell you pros, cons, wrap this video up, because it's not a lot. It's not a lot to tell y'all. So, as far as specs goes, I reviewed another one. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to drop that video first. So this is from the Outre pre-cut collection. The lace is already cut. The baby hairs are here. I should have cut some off, but I'm being lazy. It's kind of late. I left it because it gives me that natural look. All I did was put powder on the lace because it wasn't matching my complexion, and put her on and did a little bit of hot comb stuff, you know. But it's a closure unit, so the lace just goes down like to the side here, which I like. And I didn't put adhesive on this wig. Like, this wig is glueless. She's glueless. And y'all know I don't really like glueless wigs, but you could totally get away with this wig being glueless. Absolutely, you can. It has a resize me cap. You can adjust the cap if you need to. Natural baby hair, yes. Adjustable elastic band if to wear her glueless. And there are a lot of other colors in here. Cocoa caramel, ginger, strawberry gold, burgundy, blackberry, auburn. Now, this wig compared to the loose body, I stated in that video that I did feel like that wig was a little thin, and this one is feeling a little thin to me, but it is sleek, so you can get away with the sleek look. But this is all the hair to the front, guys. Okay, so this is all the hair, and it's a little thin. I thought I would be feeling the tracks, but I'm not feeling it. So it looks fine. It's like a natural density, but this is what it's looking like as far as the 30 inches. It's long. Whew, it's so long. And all the hair in the back. Like, this wig is definitely touching my butt, but this is the perfect bust down middle unit. And it's black. It looks good. I'm not getting a lot of snags in here. It feels good. It is gliding. It is a human hair blend, so it feels good, but you can like use your cutting shears and like cut some layers in here to make it a little bit more less tangly, but right now I don't feel like she's too bad. I feel like if you go in with your Simply Styling spray, you'll be fine. And just walk around with your brush and she'll be fine. She's good right now. I didn't cut it also because I'm definitely going to be selling this wig, so check my Macari down below. I got too many wigs, y'all. I have way too many wigs, and if y'all want me to be doing these reviews, I do resell a lot of these wigs on this channel to maintain this channel, okay? Overall, besides the thinness of this wig, I like her. I think she feels good. It's really soft. I feel like the synthetic wigs are coming a long way. I have been reviewing these synthetic wigs for about, I want to say, is it 5 years now? 5 or 6 years, I don't know. It's been a while, but they have improved. The knots look good, like the hairlines are looking realistic. These wigs are looking like human hair wigs. So you get what you pay for, and I think it's worth it. I think she's worth it if this is the look you're looking for. I like the sleekness of it. I like the softness of this hair. I just don't like the density, but that's just me. And I also like the fact that, again, she's glueless. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.